Hey, this is your girl Bombshell coming back with another video. So, y'all, this is what's up. These are a couple of my masks that I have made, and believe it or not, I didn't use no needle or a sewing machine. I did not use a needle, and I did not use a sewing machine. And these are two types of masks. I call this the bandana mask. These are great for guys. And of course, this right here with a two-tone color mask. Are great for whoever, but this pattern is for women. I do have the straps on here, or the ties, which will be great that you can tie around your head. And this is also the two-tone with red on the opposite color. And this can be tied around your head as well. So yeah, now I am not selling masks, but I will be coming back to show y'all how I created these two different masks. And if you like that, definitely leave a comment at the bottom. Let me know that y'all do want to see a video on how I did these. Again, y'all, these are masks that were created by me, Bombshell. They are not used. I did not use them to make with the sewing machine. I did not make them. Sorry, I did not make them using a sewing machine or a needle. So, and they are washable. So definitely let me know if y'all want to see a video on these. Leave your comments below. This is your girl Bombshell. Bye.